Hi, hello friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Jolene. I like to share all things beauty, shopping, decor, and more. And so I have today I have my beauty empties, and so I'm excited to share what I have here and give you some recommendations and let you know what products I liked and didn't like. So anyway, let's just get to it. Okay friends, first of all, I want to thank you for being here. I do appreciate your support. You can support my channel by hitting the subscribe button, the like button, leaving a comment. All those things are appreciated so much, so thank you for that. And let's start. I've got some hair stuff here. This is a Joico. I have loved its moisture recovery. Sometimes I tend to get dry hair, and this has been, I love it. I've had it for a long time. I mean, of course it's big, so it lasts a long time, but I don't use it like, I didn't use it every time. I like to rotate my shampoos. So this one I just use, I would just use it maybe like once a week, maybe twice, depending on how my hair was. Also, these are, I've got some generic shampoo and conditioner. This is compared to Clairol Shimmer Lights. I have loved this stuff. It helped to keep my blonde good. But these are like, they're not quite empty, but I've had them forever, and I just am ready to get rid of them because I just got, I just picked up at Marshall's something to replace these. I picked up this blonde, this Joico, again, like the blue Joico. I'm hoping I like this one just as much, but I picked up the K-Pack Blonde Life. This is reconstructive conditioner, and these are just brightening shampoos, whatever. So I am excited to put these in my shower, and I got rid of those 3 big ones. So anyway, would I buy any? I would buy any of those again. These, I'm kind of done with these. I get these at Sally's Beauty Supply, and I have liked them. They have been really good products, but I don't know, I'm kind of done. One more product, because like I said, I rotate. Right now I'm almost done with the double shampoo and conditioner that match. So that'll be next month's. But I also have this Amika Reset. It's a cooling gel conditioner. And I did have the shampoo and conditioner, which I went through, but I think I had 2 conditioners. So this was just a conditioner, and I have used it like any Amika product. I love it. I don't know if they make these in the tin, but I really like it. It kind of comes out like a shave cream, but it's the texture of a conditioner. But anyway, I love this product. I'm sad it's done. It smells good. Everything's great. So there's that. And let's see, what else do I have in the shower? Anything else? Okay, I think we're done with shower. So I'm just going to go to show you what else. This is another care product, just my Dove. I love this spray. Deodorant, I buy them in 6 packs. I think they come in 5 or 6 packs anyway at Amazon. I have priced them. They're cheaper at Amazon than I can get them anywhere else. So that's one of my Amazon buys. You could also find it in my storefront, my Amazon storefront, which I have linked in my details. Okay, so, well, let's just get to body now, since I'm doing all those, and then we'll end up with makeup. So I have this Fresh and Clean spray from Pink. I use the lotion too. I just bought a bunch again from Victoria's Secret. This is like my favorite scent. It's just really it just smells fresh. So when you get out of the shower, I do the lotion all over and the spray, and I smell good, feel clean. So I love this. I will continue to buy it as long as I can. They just had a 50% off sale. So I took advantage of that recently. And then this one right here isn't the same, but I did use these. I'm still using the body gel, the shower gel. It's not done yet. And I still have some of the spray that I'm using, but this carried away from Bath and Body. This is really one of my favorite scents. It smells, I don't like food smells. Like, I don't like anything food. I just like fresh, clean, floral. That's what I tend to go for. So anyway, I do this fit right in there with that. And also layering. Once again, I layer. I love layering scents. And this was a good, really good layering scent. So anyway, there's that. The next thing I have here is, this is a spray toner, antioxidant spray toner from Dr. Brandt. I really like this. I tend to like spray toners just because they're easy. And I just, when, you know, I get out of the shower or after I wash my face or anything, I just spray it all over and love it. So, would I get this again? Yes, but will I? I'm not sure because I have so many toning products on hand and other toners too that I like. I tend to really like the Elemis spray toner. And so that's what I use mostly now. But I do have other toners too that I like. But that's a great one. If you're looking for one, I do recommend that. Okay, so let's go to face. And so with face, it looks like I have in here, I went through an Estee Lauder. You guys know I'm an Estee Lauder girl. So I went through a foundation. So that's empty. And yes, I will and do and have back stock. Always probably will buy this or love this product. It's proven the test of time with me. So anyway, also this is the Big Easy from Benefit Cosmetics. This I've had for quite a while and I have used it quite a bit in the past, but I tried to use it recently and it just was not the color for me. I don't know why. I don't know if I noticed that earlier or if my colors changed, but it just did not look good on me. So I'm going to say goodbye to that. Probably a really good product. I know I like it. It is a good product, but it's just not the right color. So there's that. And so what I mix with my foundation is this Glow Recipe. This is the Bronze Drops. And I absolutely love this product. It's probably my favorite of all bronze drops. I do use the Drunk Elephant. I use the e.l.f. Those are the main ones I use, I believe. I have some other ones. I have some J.Lo. I have a few other things. But this is my all-time favorite. And I do have another one. Another backup or one I'm using that's bigger than this. And then I have small ones. Anyway, it's something I probably would buy if I run out of my, but right now I have so many bronze drops. I'm probably not going to run and buy it right away, but love this. And so while we're on Glow Recipe, this is an eye serum that I used. I used the whole bottle and did like it. With eye creams, I don't know. There's so many good ones out there. You can't really go wrong. So they're all, you know, the ones I get are usually similar in how they work. But this was a good product. So I love Glow Recipe. I use a lot of Glow Recipe skincare. So let's see what else we have in here. It looks like we have a couple of concealers. And this one's a ColourPop. I am done with this one. There might be oh no. I think what happened to this is the doe foot came off inside the bottle. And so I can't really use it. I have used it before, but anyway, for that reason, it's going to go by. This is the NARS concealer. And it is a pricey product, but I love this product. So I went ahead and bought another one I have on hand that I'm using. But it's just a... you know, it's just a really good concealer. It's really light. It's lightweight, so it's not really cakey or anything, but it also, yeah, blends in. Anyway, it's really a nice concealer. So there's that. I'm missing a couple things that I put in here. I thought I had a couple more things that aren't in here. Oh, well, I thought I had two mascaras, but I just have one. This is the Thrive. This is the Liquid Lash Extensions from Thrive. Love, love, love this mascara. It's just kind of, I've used it. It's pretty dry. But this lengthens your eyes, and I love it. And I also have the Thrive, just the regular Thrive mascara, which is also awesome. And I like to use the two together, but I'm out of this one, and the other one is still good. I did actually get this one before the other one. So there's that. I also have in here Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is just straight up mascara. I love this mascara. I do have one or two, I think, on hand. So I do really, really like this mascara. Recommend it. And then I just had this. This is from Iconic. This is a brow. I don't know. I don't get what's going on in here. Oh, okay. It does have another end. Just couldn't get it off. Maybe I will keep it. One end is, okay, this end lost its lid, so it's dried up. But it does have another side, and this one just looks like the brush is a little bit, maybe a little bit wider and shorter. I don't know. There they are. I did really like this, so maybe I will keep it and use the other one. The other side. I don't know, I was having trouble getting it off, but there we go. So something that I thought I had to get rid of, but I'm going to try it with the other end. And then I have just this sticks. It says this is a highlighter. I'm getting rid of it because I don't like the color. It's just a golden, kind of a peachy. I don't know. I just don't like it. I have used it several times, but it's going bye-bye. I have in here, what is this? Beauty Creations Brow Soap. This was kind of a joke. I think you get it wet and stuff, but it was just really messy and yucky, so I don't recommend that. Anyway, I don't really need a brow soap. I've got plenty of things that clean my brows. So anyway, this right here is super cute. It's Illuminati, and I love it. I think their packaging is so cute. But look, it lost its doe foot inside, and it's kind of a small opening. Anyway, I don't think I can get another doe foot to make it work. I have so many lip products. So anyway, that's going by. And then I have, the last thing I have in here is Set and Protect SPF 15. I've shared this on some of my Amazon finds. This is the Pacifica is the brand. I love Pacifica stuff, and they do carry them on Amazon, but this was, what does it say about it? What made it special? It has SPF protection, which I love. So it's a spray. So you get SPF protection when and it protects your makeup. Set and Protect. It's a matte sheer setting mist. I loved it because it was a really fine mist. It does have a split seal bottle in there. Pretty sure it's done. I might have gotten a little bit out. Anyway, I love this stuff. So I want to buy it again, but I have so many setting sprays right now, but I probably will end up getting it eventually because I just really like it. So there's that. So anyway, all my little empties pretty much for the month of September, and lots of hair stuff and body smelling stuff. So anyway, so there we go. So that's it. Let me know what you think about these products in the comments. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to ask. And so anyway, thanks for letting me share this with you today. And I will see you guys all in the next one. All right, friends. Bye-bye.